Okay, so here we are today. We're going to be talking about filters for the DeLonghi COM53x or COM53x. And what that means is all 5-3 whatever number. So I have a 532. There's a 530. So 53x. The X indicates the number. They all use the same kind of filter. Isn't that right?
Yes.
So this is what it looks like after quite a bit of use. It's time to be replaced. Now, I went online, I went to Amazon, I went to DeLonghi's website, I went everywhere trying to find this filter, and they wanted anywhere from $7 a piece each to $12 each. So I did a little research. I came across a simple little replacement that's not specifically for this model, but it's exact fit. And that is using a Cuisinart filter. Okay, now this is just the charcoal filter that goes in with the percolator side of the thing. And this is what it looks like open. Okay, so side by side, they are nearly identical. This one's got a little bit more fabric on it than here, as you can see, but they fit perfectly into the catch, into the holder here. So I'll go ahead and see if I can do that. One-handed. Pops right in, and then close. Perfect fit. So I got a pack of, I believe it was 12 of these, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see here. Yeah, looks like 12 of those for about, I'm not even sure how much I got them for, but I'll put the price and everything in the description. I'll even put a link to these because that's pretty much, for me, a year's worth of filters for probably the price of one of these. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there and we'll test it out. But so far, so good. All right, well, I hope I saved you a little bit of money if you have one of these machines. Actually, I'll show you the machine here. This is the All-in-One. Espresso machine on one side, percolator on the other. This is the COM53x. All right, by DeLonghi. All right, well, hope you learned something. On to the next.